viewers, in today class I am explaining about inventory maintenance in Tally. So first we want to learn what is inventory. Inventory, it is nothing but stock maintenance of a company. Suppose we are working in any manufacturing company or trading company, compulsory we are maintaining stock items. So relating to stock items account maintenance, it is called inventory accounts maintenance. So in main gateway of Tally, so we have inventory info, you can click that one. Here we have stock groups, stock items. So first we are discussing what is stock groups. Stock groups means brand name of a company. So brand name of a product. So brand names we are creating under stock groups. So for example, here we have one example problem. So we will discuss on that. Here we have Sony Company Limited maintaining the following stock items. So opening stock also we have. Here we have LG double door fridge, LG single door, LG TV 29 inches, LG TV 30 inches, Micromax 30 inches, Sony double door. So in this example, we have three brands, Sony brand, Micromax and LG. So brand names, it is called stock group. Stock group, it is not constant. It is depending on the company, depending on the stock items, it is varying. So it is not constant always. Depending on the company, we want to create a stock groups. Why we are creating stock groups means we want to analyze the stock items easily. On that purpose, we are creating stock groups. So it's not compulsory. Depending on the company, we are creating this one. So how to creating now? So how to creating stock groups? Inventory info, stock groups, create. So now name it is asking. So what brand do you have? We can create it. Sony. Under primary, should quantities of items to be added? Yes. Next brand name, LG brand. Under primary, same processing we are following. Next, what brand do you have? We can create it. Next brand I am creating Micromax. So enter. Here you can set yes, you can save the screen. Suppose HP brand. So whatever it may be, depending on the company, we are creating Nestle. So now I am created stock group. So you want to go back means press escape. Display means it is showing how many brands we have in a company. So it is showing. Suppose on the time of stock group creation, I done some mistakes. I want to edit stock groups. I want to delete a stock groups means we are using alter button. Go to alter. Which brand do you want to alter? You can select it. So now it is possible to altering. Suppose I want to delete this one. I want to delete this brand. So you can open, you can press Alt D button. So now our stock group, it is deleted. This like it is possible to creating a groups, displaying and altering. So next one, what is units of measurement? So units of measurement means how we are measuring the stock. That is called units of measurement. So I mean it's depending on the item we are selecting units of measurement. Suppose rice, dal, sugar, this and all we are selling and purchasing on the basis of kgs, grams, tons, bags, numbers, liters, pieces, boxes, this and all called units of measurement. So units of measurement compulsory we want to create. So depending on the stock items we are creating. Now how to create? Units of measurement, create. First symbol it is asking, you can type kgs. Here full, kilograms. Full name we want to type, formal name. Next, suppose numbers I want to create, shortcut form. Formal name means full name. Full name we want to type like this. Next to liters. If here full name we want to type like this, liters. Bags. Symbol means shortcut form we want to type. Formal name, full name, bags. Suppose liters I want to type. Shortcut key. Liters already we are created. Liters already we are created a name. Duplicates it's not acceptable. This units of measurement, it is possible to displaying how many we are created. After that it is possible to altering and deleting also. So this is units of measurement. Next one, stock items. So what is meant by stock items means what item you have in our company. That item we want to create, like bags, cell phones, laptops, desktops, mouses, Arrow water purifiers, HP laptops, Dell laptops, TVs, This like what item do you have, we want to create here. So stock items create. So now we want to create these items. We have LG double door fridge first. I am creating LG double door fridge. Under means brand name we want to select here. Already list of groups we are created. It is showing groups. LG double door fridge comes under which brand, you can select it. Next units also we want to create. We want to select numbers. Next opening balance. Opening balance means at present how much stock you have in your hand, we want to record. So here we have a 20 numbers, 25,000 each. Quantity, here rate we want to mention 25,000. Value automatically it is displaying. Next one, LG single door fridge. LG single door fridge we want to create. Under, it comes under which brand? LG brand. Units numbers. So now opening balance we want to record 10 numbers, 20,000 rupees each. Value automatically it is showing. Now you can save it. Next one, LG TV 29 inches. LG TV 29 inches. LG TV 29 inches, 5 numbers. So under comes under LG. Units numbers. Quantity we have 5 numbers. What is the cost? 18,000 rupees each. Enter. So next item we have LG 30 inches TV. LG 30 inches TV. Under brand name we want to select units numbers. So opening balance we have 12 numbers, 50,000 rupees each. Value automatically it's calculating. Next what we have? Micromax 25 inches TV. Micromax 25 inches. Micromax 25 inches TV. Under it comes under Micromax. Units numbers. Quantity we want to mention 16. 30,000 rupees each. Next item we have Micromax 30 inches TV. So it comes under Micromax. Numbers. Opening balance we have 5 numbers, 60,000 rupees each. Enter, you can save the screen. Next one, Sony double door fridge, 4 numbers, 90,000 rupees. Sony double door fridge. Sony double door fridge. So it comes under Sony brand. So numbers. How much quantity we have? 4 numbers we have, 19,000 rupees each. This like we are creating stock items. Suppose any new item now I am creating. Suppose Nokia mobile. Nokia mobile. Now suppose under, I mean brand name I am not created. I want to create now. Alt C you can press a shortcut key. Now Nokia mobile comes under Nokia brand. Under primary, yes you can give here, you can save the screen. Units it comes under numbers. Now suppose I don't have opening balance, you can leave empty, you can save the screen. Suppose I want to create now rice. Under primary I am taking units bags. I am representing now bags. Opening balance 12 bags I have. Each bag cost 1500 rupees. Enter, you can save the screen. This like we are creating stock items in Tally. Suppose I want to display stock items now in Tally. You can go to display. See how many items here you are created, it is showing. How many items you are created. Next to alter. So I want to delete, I want to modify the stock items means we are using alter. So it is possible to modifying. Suppose this one quantity I am changing C. It is possible to modifying. Suppose I want to delete now. So you can press Alt to D. So stock items it is deleted. This like. So what is stock groups, what is units of measurement and items we learn now. Next to how to creating purchase and sales invoices in Tally I am explaining. In a company we have stock items means daily we are doing purchase and sales. I mean we are purchasing stock items, we are selling items. On the time of purchasing we are preparing purchase invoice. On the time of sales we want to prepare a sales invoice. How to prepare that one? So we are going to accounting voucher. So purchase voucher. So first invoice number, date, Party name we want to select. I am purchasing goods from HV Technologies. Control A. Item we want to mention. See. Here we have 7 numbers of LG double door fridge we are purchasing. So items, already we are created stock items. Which item we are purchasing? LG double door fridge. Quantity 7 we are purchasing, 7. Rate 20,000 rupees, purchasing cost. Enter. So here we want to select purchase. This like we are preparing purchase invoice. Enter, you can save the screen. Next example also we have here. 2 numbers of 29 inches TV purchased from Asha and Company. So supplier invoice number, party name. So Asha and Company name we are not created. We want to create Asha and Company ledger, means shortcut key Alt C. So now you can create Asha and Co. So it comes under Sunday creditor. So enter, save the screen. So save the screen. Next to name of item. 2 numbers of 29 inches TV. LG 29 inches TV, 2 numbers. Purchasing cost 15,000 rupees. Enter, you can save the screen. So this like purchase invoice we are preparing. Suppose sales invoices, how to prepare? In button bar you can select sales voucher. Sales voucher. So now reference number means invoice number. Party name we want to type. See here. 2 numbers of Sony double door fridge sold to Vani. So party name we want to create, Alt C. Vani. She is a Sunday debtors. Sunday debitors, Control A. So now what items we are selling? Sony double door fridge. We are selling Sony double door fridge, 2 numbers. What is the cost? 22,000 rupees. So automatically value it is coming. Sales, you can save the screen. This like we are preparing sales invoice. Now how to view the inventory reports in Tally. How to view the stock summary in Tally. So in main gateway of Tally you can select stock summary. Once we are pressed stock summary, it is showing how many brands we are having. LG brand under how many items we have. So Micromax, Sony, this like it is showing. Now I want to view clearly, means you can select and give enter. Sony double door fridge we have 2 numbers. Monthly wise it is showing. Enter. See. Sony double door fridge opening balance we have 4. Inwards means purchasing stock. Outwards means selling stock. So 2 numbers we sold. Remaining closing balance I have 2. So this like it is possible to view. Next item I am selecting. Suppose under Micromax brand I want to view any item. Under Micromax brand we have 2 items. First one I am selecting. See. This one only opening balance we have. We know we are not purchased, we are not sold. This like. Suppose group wise I view the information. Next item wise do you want to view, means in button bar it is showing item wise. You can select which item do you want. So which item do you want, you can select it. Now enter. See. So we are purchased LG double door fridge 7 numbers. Opening stock we have 20. Total we have 27 numbers. So this like clearly it is showing. Next to how to view the inventory books. Once we are created stock items, we are created purchase and sales invoices, means without our effort automatically inventory reports and all it is preparing. How to view? Go to display. Here you can select inventory books. See, separately we have stock items and group summary. Group summary means brand wise it is showing. Item means item wise how many items we have in our company. Suppose I want to view this Sony single door fridge details. Only opening balance we have 10. We are not purchased, we are not sold. So suppose I am selecting now Sony double door fridge. See. Opening balance we have 4. We sold 2. Remaining 2 we have. So correctly it is managing the stock here. So group summary I am selecting. Which brand do you want? HP brand. Under HP brand we don't have any stock items. LG brand. Under LG we have 4 items. So which item do you want to view? Enter. See. Sony, this LG double door fridge 20 we have. 7 opening balance we have. 27 total we have. So this like it is possible to view the inventory books. You can subscribe my channel. In previous videos already we are discussed how to creating company, how to creating vouchers ledgers in Tally. So